Hello students. In the earlier lectures, we have discussed the first topic of chapter 1, relation function of class 12 mathematics, that is types of relations. Now in this lecture, we will discuss the second topic, that is types of function. Before we start the types of function, let us discuss what is a function. As in the earlier lecture, we have also discussed that relation is the subset of Cartesian product. Now, a relation f from a set x to set y, a set x to set y is said to be a function, is said to be a function if every element of set x, if every element of set x has one and only one image in set y. So, if every element of set x has one and only one image in set y, then we can say that the relation is a function. So this is the definition of function. A relation f from a set x to set y is said to be a function if every element of set x has one and only one image in set y. Suppose f is a relation from set x to set y in the form of ray diagram. We can express this in three different ways. First, suppose this is x, this one is y, and this is relation f. This set x has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set x, this is y, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other set has element x, y, z and w. Suppose these are related, there is a relation. Okay? Second, suppose this is a part, or we can say again these are two sets x and y, and there is a relation f. This has only two elements, and this has x, y, z, w, and they are related like this. Suppose this is diagram B. Now come to the third one. In this again, these are x and y, and this is relation f. Suppose it has 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 elements, and this has x and y, and they are related like this. This is C. Now look at these three. In ray diagram A, every element of set X is related to Y, and every element has one and only one image. The image of 1 is x, the image of 2 is y, the image of 3 is z, and the image of 4 is w. In ray diagram B, set x has 2 elements and set y has 4 elements. But in this case, this element 1 of set x has 2 images, x and y. Similarly, the other element 2 also has 2 images, that is z and w. In ray diagram C, set x has 4 elements, set y has 2 elements. This element 1 and 2 both are related to x. It means the image of 1 is x, the image of 2 is x, the image of 3 is y, the image of 4 is y. So it means we can say that this first and third will follow this definition, but this B or the second one doesn't have the rule to follow this definition. This do not obey this definition. It means these two are functions, but this is not a function. If we will write these ray diagrams in the form of relation, means roster form, then we can write like this. This one is 1x, 2y, 3z, 4w. This is for first. You can say this is one relation. This is other relation, means for second we can write 1x, 1y, 2z and 2w. For C we can write 1x, 2x, 3y and 4y. Now, whenever the first element repeats, it means this element has two different images. So, this is not a function. This is a function, means yes. This is a function, yes. This is not a function. So, no. Why? Because both the elements are having more than two images. This function is called 1, 1. This is many 1. But this is not a function. In short, we can say that conversion is allowed for a function, but diversion is not allowed. Here there is conversion, but here it is diversion. So we can say that conversion is allowed, but diversion is not allowed for a function. If there is a diversion, it means the relation is not a function. Now, one more mapping I am drawing here. Suppose that is D. This is also related to this relation from x to y. Like this. Suppose this has x has 1, 2, 3 elements, and this set y has A, B, C, D, E. 5 elements. One is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C. This set of elements is called domain. This Y is codomain. Codomain of F, this is domain of F. If F is a relation from X to Y, then this is domain and this Y is codomain. Now, the elements of Y which are related to the elements of X means only A, B and C. They form a new set of element that is called range of F. So these three form range of F. So range of F is ABC, domain of F is 1, 2, 3, codomain of F is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, children? Now come to types of function. So this is all about functions. Now come to types of function. First, 1-1 or injective. 1-1 function is also called as injective function. A function f x to y is said to be 1-1, said to be 1-1 if the images of distinct element of elements of X under F are distinct. That is, for every x1, x2 belongs to X, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this implies that x1 equal to x2. These types of function are called 1-1. For different element, the images are different. For the same element, the images are same. So it means if the image of distinct element of X under F are distinct, then these types of function are called 1-1 function. Second is many-one. Many-one. From the word itself, it is clear that many elements are related to one element. Like in C part, 2 elements are related to X, again 2 elements are related to Y. Many-one. So this is the example of many-one function. This is the example of 1-1 function. So this is injective function. This relation is injective function. And this relation is many-one function. So we can write a function f x to y is said to be many one if two or more elements, if two or more elements of X have the same image in Y. Have same image in Y. Here we can write of or in. So a function f x y is said to be many one if two or more elements in X have same image in Y. Next is onto function. This is also called as surjective. We can define this as a function f x to y is said to be onto if every element of y, if every element of y is the image of some element of X, some element of X under F. That is, for every element Y belongs to Y, there exists an element X in X such that fx equals to y. It means every element of y must have a pre-image in X. Look at the definition. A function f x y is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some element of X under F. Means every element of y must be the image of some element of X. We can say that this y or the elements of y or every element of y is associated with X. In this, both the elements are associated. In this also associated. But this is not a function, so leave this. In this, again all the elements are associated with some element of X. But look at this. In this, these two elements are not associated with any element of X. It means these two elements do not have any pre-image in X. When we are writing like this or like this, we can say that this y is the image of X, or we can say that X is the pre-image of y. Y is the image of X, or X is the pre-image of y. If I am writing like this, suppose in this I am writing F1 is equal to A, F2 equals to B, F3 equals to C. It means the image of 1 is A, the image of 2 is B, the image of 3 is C. So 1, 2, 3 are the elements of x and ABC are the elements of y. It means these three elements are associated with ABC, but these two elements are free. They are not associated with any element of x. It means this function is not onto. This is 1, 1 because every element of set x has 1 and 1 only one image, that is different images. The image of 1 is A, the image of 2 is B, the image of 3 is C. So this is the case of 1, 1. But since these two elements are free, it means this is not an onto function. We can easily identify the onto function if any element of set y are not associated or free, then that type of function is called onto function. Sorry, this is not onto. This is 1, 1. These two are free, so this is not onto. This is onto. This is onto. But this is not onto. This is 1, 1 onto. This is many 1 onto. This is only 1, 1, but it is not onto. Now, fourth one. 1, 1 and onto. 1, 1 and onto. This type of function is called bijective function. By the name itself, it is clear that it is 1, 1 and onto. So a function f x to y is said to be 1, 1 onto, said to be 1, 1 onto or bijective. If f is both 1, 1 and onto. Okay, in this way we can say that this is 1, 1 onto function, this is many 1 onto function, this is 1, 1 but not onto. If any element of set y is blank or not associated with any element of x, then we can say that the function is not onto. This is onto, this is onto, this is not onto. Why? Because of these two elements which are not associated with any element of x. Or we can say that they don't have a pre-image. The pre-image of A is 1, the pre-image of B is 2, the pre-image of C is 3. Image of 1 is A, so pre-image of A is 1. But what is the pre-image of B? We don't have. It means this is not an onto function. The pre-image of x is 1, pre-image of y is 2, the pre-image of x are 1 and 2. The pre-images of y are 3 and 4. But in this case, for ABC we have pre-images, but for D and E we don't have pre-images, so this is not an onto function. Okay, children.